Welcome to today's class on vector analysis. Today we discuss formulas for computing curvature and torsion. First we derive a formula for curvature. So we have V is equal to dr by dt, that is equal to dr by ds into ds by dt, and you know that t is equal to dr by ds. This implies V equal to ds by dt into t, since t equal to dr by ds. We have acceleration a is equal to at into t plus an into n, where at is d square s by dt square into t plus kappa into ds by dt the whole square into n. Therefore, V cross A equal to, you know that V is ds by dt into t, so this is ds by dt into t cross d square s by dt square into t plus kappa times ds by dt the whole square into n. So this is equal to ds by dt into d square s by dt square into t cross t plus ds by dt into kappa into ds by dt the whole square into t cross n. So this is equal to ds by dt into d square s by dt square into t cross t is 0, so this is vector 0, plus ds by dt into ds by dt the whole square is ds by dt the whole cube into kappa into, you know that t cross n is vector b. So this is because since t cross t equal to 0 and t cross n equal to b, binormal vector. So this is equal to ds by dt the whole cube into kappa into vector b. This is V cross A. Therefore, modulus of V cross A equal to modulus of ds by dt the whole cube into modulus of k, kappa is k itself, into modulus of b. You know that b is a unit vector, so modulus of b is 1. So this is kappa into modulus of ds by dt the whole cube into 1. And you know that ds by dt is modulus of v. We have ds by dt equal to modulus of v. So modulus of ds by dt the whole cube is modulus of v cube. So this is equal to kappa into modulus of v cube. So this is modulus of v cross A. Therefore, kappa, the curvature kappa equal to modulus of v cross A divided by modulus of v the whole cube. You know that for a moving body, modulus of v is always non-zero. Therefore, this is a vector formula for calculating curvature. Thus we have kappa is equal to modulus of V cross A divided by modulus of V cube. Now we state a formula for torsion. Formula for torsion. Let R of t equal to x of ti plus y of tj plus z of tk represents the path of the particle in space, and let x dot of t equal to dx by dt, y dot of t is equal to dy by dt, and z dot of t is equal to dz by dt. X double dot of t is equal to d square x by dt square. Y double dot of t is equal to d square y by dt square, and z double dot of t is equal to d square z by dt square, and x triple dot of t is equal to d cube x by dt cube. Y triple dot of t is equal to d cube y divided by dt cube. Z triple dot of t is equal to d cube z divided by dt cube. These are known as Newton's dot notation for derivatives. These are known as Newton's dot notations for derivatives. Then a formula for torsion. Is tau equal to determinant of x dot y dot z dot x double dot y double dot z double dot x triple dot y triple dot z triple dot divided by modulus of v cross a the whole square, provided modulus of v cross a is not equal to 0. This is a formula for finding torsion, and the proof is beyond the scope of your syllabus, so we just state the formula for torsion and we will do problems using this. So we have a formula for torsion is tau is equal to determinant of x dot y dot z dot x double dot y double dot z double dot x triple dot y triple dot z triple dot divided by modulus of v cross a the whole square, provided v cross a not equal to 0. Now we do a problem. Question is this: find curvature kappa and torsion tau of the helix r of t is equal to a cos t I plus a sin t j plus b t k, a b greater than or equal to 0 and a square plus b square not 0. Solution: given that r of t is equal to a cos t I plus a sin t j plus btk. A, b greater than or equal to 0, a square plus b square not equal to 0. This is given. We have formula for curvature is kappa is equal to modulus of v cross a divided by modulus of v cube. So we have v is dr by dt, that is equal to derivative of this minus a sin t I plus a cos tj plus bk, and a is dv by dt. So this is equal to minus a cos t I minus a sin t j plus 0k, and therefore v cross a equal to determinant of I j k minus a sin t a cos t b minus a cos t minus a sin t 0. So this is equal to I into b a sin t a cos t into 0 0 minus minus b a sin t minus j into minus a sin t into 0 0, so minus ba, so plus ba cos t plus k into a square sin square t, a square into sin t into sin t, so a square sin square t minus minus a square, so plus a square cos square t. So this is equal to ba sin ti minus ba cos tj plus a square into sin square t plus cos square t, so that is a square k. So therefore modulus of v cross a, this is equal to square root of b square a square sin square t plus b square a square cos square t plus a raised to 4. So this is square root of b square a square into sin square t plus cos square t plus a raised to 4. So that is equal to square root of b square a square plus a raised to 4. So this is equal to square root of a square into b square plus a square. So this is a into square root of a square plus b square. So this is modulus of v cross a. We have kappa equal to modulus of v cross a divided by modulus of v cube. So we have to find modulus of v. So we have v equal to minus a sin t I plus a cos t j plus bk. Therefore, modulus of v is square root of a square sin square t plus a square cos square t plus b square. So this is square root of a square into sin square t plus cos square t. So that is a square plus b square. Therefore, modulus of v whole cube equal to a square plus b square whole raised to 3 by 2. This is equal to a square plus b square whole raised to 1 by 2. Therefore, the curvature kappa is equal to modulus of v cross a. So that is a into square root of a square plus b square divided by modulus of v cube is a square plus b square the whole raised to 3 by 2. So this is equal to a into a square plus b square the whole raised to 1 by 2 divided by a square plus b square the whole raised to 3 by 2. That is equal to, so this is equal to a into a square plus b square whole raised to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So this is a into a square plus b square the whole raised to minus 2 by 2. So this is a into a square plus b square the whole raised to minus 1. This implies kappa equal to a by, this is a square plus b square. So kappa is a by a square plus b square. Now we find torsion tau. We have r of t equal to a cos ti plus a sin tj plus btk. We assume that a comma b greater than 0 and a square plus b square not equal to 0. We have modulus of v cross a equal to a into square root of a square plus b square. And this is not equal to 0 since a, b positive and a square plus b square not equal to 0. Therefore, we can use the formula tau equal to determinant of x dot y dot z dot x double dot y double dot z double dot x triple dot y triple dot z triple dot divided by modulus of v cross a the whole square. So here x of t is a cos t, y of t is a sin t, and z of t is bt. Therefore, x dot of t, this is equal to dx by dt. This is equal to minus a sine t, and y dot of t, that is equal to dy by dt, this is equal to a cos t, and z dot of t equal to b, and x double dot of t is d square x by dt square. So this is minus a cos t, y double dot of t is minus a sine t, and z double dot of t is 0. Remember that x dot of t, y dot of t, and z dot of t are the components of V, and x double dot of t, y double dot of t, z double dot of t are the components of A, and x triple dot of t is d cube x by dt cube. So that is the derivative of this one. So this is a sine t, and y triple dot of t is minus a cos t, and z triple dot of t is 0. Therefore, determinant of x dot, y dot, z dot, x double dot, y double dot, z double dot, x triple dot, y triple dot, z triple dot, that is equal to minus a sine t, a cos t, b, minus a cos t, minus a sine t, 0, a sine t, minus a cos t, 0. So this is equal to minus a sine t into minus a sine t into 0, minus a cos t into 0. So this is 0, minus a cos t into minus a cos t into 0, 0, minus a sine t into 0, 0, plus b into a square cos square t plus a square sine square t. So this is b into a square, because this is a square into cos square t plus sine square t. So this is b a square. Therefore, torsion tau equal to b a square divided by a into root of a square plus b square the whole square, because modulus of V cross A is a into root of a square plus b square. So this is equal to b a square divided by a square into a square plus b square. So this is b by a square plus b square. That is torsion tau is equal to b by a square plus b square. We know that a square plus b square is not 0. So this is well defined. So we have found curvature and torsion. Curvature is a by a square plus b square, and torsion is b by a square plus b square for the helix. So this is independent of t. Therefore, we can see that torsion of a helix about a circular cylinder is a constant. Now we can review the formula for curve in space. We have unit tangent vector t is equal to v by modulus of v. Principal unit normal vector n equal to dt by dt divided by modulus of dt by dt. Binormal vector b equal to t cross n. curvature kappa is equal to modulus of dt by ds, that is the same as modulus of v cross a divided by modulus of v cube, and torsion tau is minus dB by ds dot n, that is equal to x dot y dot z dot x double dot y double dot z double dot x triple dot y triple dot z triple dot divided by modulus of v cross a the whole square. Tangential and normal scalar components of acceleration, that is a can be written as a equal to att plus ann, where at is d by dt of modulus of v, an is kappa times mod b square, that is equal to square root of mod a square minus at square. So these are precise list of formula that we have about space curves. Now you can do some problems as a homework. Find the curvature kappa and torsion tau for the following curves. So you have 8 problems. You can do it as homework. So that's all for the day. Have a nice day.